Mastering Google Chrome in 2025, hidden features, productivity hacks, and privacy tools.
Google Chrome remains the world's most popular web browser in 2025, but most users are still only scratching the surface of what it can do. While Chrome is often praised for its speed and simplicity, its true power lies in the layers of functionality that can transform your browsing experience into a tailored, secure, and ultra-productive environment. Whether you're a student, content creator, remote worker, or digital entrepreneur, Chrome now offers powerful tools you should be using. This podcast explores some of the most impactful, visual-ready features of Chrome in 2025 that are still flying under the radar. Let's start with Chrome's new side panel and tab groups interface. The side panel has become far more than a reading list. It now supports synchronized note-taking, tab history by session, and real-time collaboration features.
For example, you can pin a research notepad in the side panel and drag and drop articles or quotes from tabs into it. This is especially useful for students or writers. Tab groups have also been upgraded. In 2025, you can create dynamic groups that auto-organize based on domain, keywords, or time spent on each tab. These smart tab groups save RAM by pausing background tabs intelligently without requiring extensions. Visually, the browser color codes each group and displays live previews on hover, making it easier to navigate dozens of open tabs. These updates turn chaotic browsing into a curated personal workspace. Next, consider Chrome's integration with AI-powered search enhancements. With Google's Gemini AI fully embedded into Chrome's address bar, typing a query now returns summarized answers, actionable links, and even quick edits to email drafts, documents, or spreadsheets. This goes far beyond traditional search. Imagine typing, "Summarize this article," and instantly getting a digestible paragraph. Or using AI to autofill forms, complete code snippets, or rewrite blog post intros. All from the address bar or a right click. Chrome also uses on-device AI to recommend actions like muting background tabs playing sound, or detecting repetitive tasks and offering automated macros. These features are designed with privacy in mind, keeping all AI processes local unless you opt in for cloud-based services. Chrome's commitment to privacy and anti-tracking tools has deepened significantly in 2025. The Privacy Sandbox initiative has phased out third-party cookies and introduced federated learning of cohorts, FLoC 2.0, now called Topics API. This lets you browse without sharing personal data, while still receiving relevant content. The updated Chrome Privacy Dashboard gives real-time feedback on data exposure, showing which scripts are blocked, which cookies are active, and how sites are fingerprinting your device. You can toggle between privacy profiles, such as strict, balanced, or custom, each with its own behavior, extension rules, and tracker blocking levels. Chrome also alerts you to suspicious site behavior using local threat intelligence, warning you if a site shows signs of phishing or hijacking. These updates make Chrome one of the most secure mainstream browsers available. Finally, Chrome in 2025 excels at boosting productivity through extension integrations and new multitasking views. Chrome now supports Workspace cards, a visual dashboard that groups extensions, bookmarks, apps, and tabs into predefined setups. For instance, a podcasting workspace can open tools like Audacity Web, Google Docs, YouTube Studio, and Anchor.fm, all at once with one click. Vertical tab layouts are customizable and include preview thumbnails, pinning options, and collapsible folders. Meanwhile, Chrome's split screen feature allows you to snap two or more tabs side by side within one window, ideal for comparing articles or managing workflows. Add to that built-in time tracking and distraction timers directly in the tab bar, and you get a browsing experience designed to make deep focus achievable. These features make Chrome not just a browser, but a powerful command center for your digital life in 2025.